Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vishvadeep, and I welcome you all on Unacademy's Computer Science Channel for unlimited learning. In this particular lecture, we are going to discuss few questions of GATE previous years on the specific topic stack. This is the second series or second lecture of the stack PYQs. Previously, yesterday, I have already taken one particular session on stack PYQs. If you have missed it, you can watch it. But later on, as of now, stick to here. Fine. Let's start. Before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Vishvadeep, written the gate multiple times. This is my highest rank. Apart from this, I have rank 119, 440, 682. Went for my masters to IISc Bangalore. Other than that, another masters from BITS Pilani in the data science. This is the experience. You can see a rich experience of teaching. These are the courses I am taking on Unacademy's platform: COA, data structure and coding interview problems. So COA already I have completed. Another COA in crash course already going on. Data structure also going on YouTube 10 a.m. Monday to Friday. So you can join all these classes along with me on the YouTube same channel only. This is another opportunity for all of you to learn from my side. This opportunity is on Unacademy Plus. Go to Unacademy Plus on Unacademy platform. Go to the Unacademy platform. Either you download Unacademy's learner app or you go to unacademy.com and search my name. Once you search my name, go to the profile, follow my profile and go to the special classes. If you'll go to the special classes, those special classes are those classes which are for free. You can learn from those classes. Those classes I have already taken. There are few classes which I am taking live. All those classes you can attend along with me. Plus, if you want all my special classes well organized, then you can go to this particular URL. On this URL, I have collected all the special classes in more organized way so that it will be good for you to access each and every class and their link very precisely. If you want to learn from test series, we have a free test series also for you guys. This particular test series is for free. Subject wise test and some mock test also we are providing to you. Enroll for it, write the test, understand the solution and try to understand how exactly you are going to write the GATE exam based on this particular test series. If you want to learn actually for your GATE preparation and if you want to be very serious about your preparation, you don't want to waste your single minute, you don't want any kind of problem trouble in your preparation, then this is the platform Unacademy Plus. When you go for Unacademy Plus, वहां आपको मिलेंगी live classes. Yes, these live classes you will attend per day in more structured manner so that your preparation will be very efficient and very effective also. So if you will be going for Unacademy Plus, live classes you can watch. If you miss any live class, all the classes are there in the recorded mode, so you can listen as many as times you want. If you have any kind of doubt or query or question, then all those things will be solved in the doubt solving sessions which we conduct every fourth day during the course. So you don't have any kind of problems or queries during the course at all. Apart from that, you will be getting so many DPP sessions, extra practice questions and too much, and all these comes under one subscription, which is Unacademy Plus subscription. And this particular subscription comes in 24 months, 18 months, 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month package also. And all these different subscription you can get on discount if you use the code VDEEP10. This particular code is an emotion which will connect your preparation to my team's hard work so that my team's hard work can give you a best possible career. So think of it. If you are thinking of going for Unacademy Plus subscription, then you use the code VDEEP10. So आपको मिलेगा discount plus lots of other benefits. Plus extra thing is my mentorship which can help you in so many regards. If you need a personal coach facility from Unacademy side कि I am really poor in making the plans, I am really poor in making the strategies, that how we will go for the preparation plan and all preparation strategies and all, then you can go for a very specific subscription which is called as Iconic subscription. This Iconic subscription has all the facilities of Unacademy Plus. Apart from that, it will give you a personal coach facility from Unacademy side, and this personal coach will give you strategies based on your own characters. That fellow will give you study planners, will provide the extra practice sets, specialized notes, study booster session, and personalized test analysis, so that you guys will be preparing to your best possible level. And this Iconic subscription also you can get with discount if you use the code VDEEP10. याद रखें VDEEP10 कोड से आपको मिलेगा डिस्काउंट plus so many benefits. Remember, this is the emotion. The code is an emotion which will connect your hard work with my team's hard work, your preparation with my team's hard work, and that particular blend will definitely bring lot of positive for your preparation. Okay, so here it is, my session going to start, but as my ritual always, I want to test your excitement for the day. If you are excited, if you are energetic, if you are excited or not, please, if not, then be ready now. Keep yourself ready and let's get started. Let's get started. So keep typing in the comment box ready, and then we will start. So this is first question of the day. We are going to solve from year 2004. What it says, question says, in a single array A of 1 to max size. So indexing lower bound starts from 1, upper bound goes up to max size, is used to implement two stacks. The two stacks grow from opposite end of the array. So you are having an array, fine, and this particular array, single array, is used to implement two stacks. Okay, and it is like this, array is having index number 1 to some max size. These are the indexes, and two stacks, they are saying implemented two stacks are growing from two different ends. Stack number 1 grows from this end, stack number 2 grows from this end. Now, variable top 1 and top 2, top 1 less than top 2, point to location of topmost element in the each of the stacks. So there are two top variables you are going to use. Both the top variables will be pointing to one of the top element. So for stack number 1, it will be top 1, stack number 2, top 2. So stack number 1, top element will be pointed by top 1, stack number 2 pointed by top 2, so that topmost element means last inserted element can be pointed out. Okay, if the space to be used efficiently, agar space ko efficiently use karna hai, the condition for stack full is what? You need to use the space of entire array efficiently, means if any single space is available in the array and if any stack wants to insert the element, stack should be able to do it. Stack should be able to do it. Means if stack 1 is growing this way, so first element it can insert here, second element it can insert here, on next index next element, next index next element, and so on. Similarly, this stack 2, its insertion will be starting from max size, then next element will be max size minus 1, next element on this index, next element on this index. So how can I say that the stack is full? How can I say that the stack is full and I need to use the space efficiently? So if I'm using the stack space efficiently, whenever this particular top 1 grows and wherever this particular top 2 grows, these two should be, these two should be going further in such a way कि top 1 is pointing here and top 2 is pointing to next index, and between those there is no any empty space left. So top 1 is going from this way, top 2 is going from this way, and both should be on such kind of index values so that top 1 and top 2 don't have any index left in between them. Means this is top 1 value whichever index it is, and this is top 2 value whichever index it is. Now you only tell me what is the condition. The condition is the top 2 should be on the immediate next index of top 1. Top 2 should be on the immediate next index of top 1. Top 2 is equal to top 1 plus 1, or top 1 is equal to top 2 minus 1. You can write it like that way. Take minus 1 here, top 2 minus 1 is equal to top 1, which is this condition D. D is true. Got it or not? समझ में आया आप लोगों को? Very simple it was. Very simple it was. Very simple it was. Got it? Yes or no? Should we go further? आगे बढ़े कि नहीं बढ़े? जल्दी से बता दे. Yes, got it. Okay. Next question. Another one. Very simple. Assume that the operators plus minus multiplication are left associative and this exponent, this is exponent, okay, नहीं अगर दिख रहा है तो इसको थोड़ा बड़ा बना देते हैं, is a right associative. We know that the multiplication, division, addition, subtraction are left associative, exponent is right associative. The order of precedence from highest to lowest is first of all exponent, then multiplication, then plus, then minus. Okay, fine. The postfix expression corresponding this one of infix, this one is what? For this one we need to calculate the postfix. Okay, so let me take this expression a plus b into c minus d exponent e exponent f. First of all, we need to solve exponent just because it is having highest precedence and it is but left associative. No, it is right associative. It is right associative. It is right associative. So if it is right associative, you need to go with this one first. E exponent f. E exponent f की तरफ जाएंगे, then in that case convert this into postfix. So E f exponent, like this way I'll be writing here, and remaining expression as it is a plus b into c minus d exponent, this one. Now next step, this exponent we need to solve next. So left operand as it is, right operand as it is, and at the end operator a plus b star c minus. Now next is what? Next step is multiplication. So multiplication, b into c we need to solve next. B into c we need to solve next. So b c multiplication minus d e f exponent as it is, and a plus as it is. Next is what? Next I'll have to solve plus. Why? Just because it is left associative also, and given that plus you need to solve before minus in the precedence level in the question also. Fine, let's solve this plus. So left operand, then right operand, after that plus, minus def exponent. Last step of question, this minus you need to place after these two operands, so it becomes a b c multiplication plus, then def exponent, def exponent, and at the end minus ABC multiply plus DEF. Okay, exponent minus. Option A seems correct. Few of you have given the answer also. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही शानदार, amazing. If you got the answer, well and good. If you understand how to do it, perfect. Such kind of question comes, of course you will be able to solve. But will you be able to solve the tough questions? Will you be able to solve the tough questions? That is what will make the difference between you and other fellows. If you will be in the toppers, other fellow will not be able to solve tough questions, you will be able to do. Or vice versa can also be possible if your preparation is not top notch. Make your preparation top notch somehow, whether you are going with the free education or you are going with Unacademy Plus or any other paid education, but make your preparation perfect so that any tough question also comes, you will be able to solve it easily. Otherwise you will not get good marks. Let's go for the next one. The best data structure to check whether an arithmetic expression has balanced parenthesis is. For balanced parenthesis check, we have stack. How? What we will do in an expression, you will scan the input from left to right. Scan input from left to right. What we will do? If left parenthesis, then we will push it onto the stack, and if any right parenthesis, then we will have a pop. Great, amazing. So scan the input from left to right. If any left parenthesis comes, then you push it onto the stack. Its right parenthesis will come, then we will pop it. Then we will pop the left parenthesis. Means if we will have equal number of right parenthesis is as the left parenthesis, then definitely after entire scan the stack should be empty. So I am checking this, I am running this. If stack empty at the end, means balanced, otherwise not. Or might possible that if you have any extra right parenthesis, you may face a problem of underflow. I'll tell you, I'll give you both the examples. Both the examples. Suppose you have this a plus b plus c. Extra left parenthesis you have. What you will do? For this parenthesis, you push it onto the stack. Then another left parenthesis, okay, pushed onto the stack. For right parenthesis, pop. This extra left parenthesis left, yes, means stack not empty. If stack not empty, which means not balanced. Not balanced. Then what extra example? Second example. Let's say this a plus b plus c and extra right parenthesis you have. If extra right parenthesis you have, what you will do? For first left parenthesis, okay, let me take extra right parenthesis here. For first left parenthesis you push onto the stack, fine. Then for right parenthesis you pop it, and another right parenthesis. For another right parenthesis you will try to pop, but there is no any element, means not balanced. So if stack empty at the end, or at here if underflow on the time of pop, then not balanced. Directly you can prove. Or it's at the end, if stack is not empty, then too you can say not balanced. These are the methods you, I guess, learn in the TOC also. TOC में भी push down automata होता है ना, exactly like that way only you do. Push down automata में ही ऐसा करते हो ना? Yes or no? Got it? So stack is a best data structure. See, you can use another data structure also in some other way so that you can get the result. Possible, yes, but stack is one of the best. Question says best data structure, so best is stack. You can use other one also, but somehow you need to have some kind of struggle with that. You need to modify your algorithm. You need to have lots of code in those things. So best data structure is this stack. Fine, go for next one. Should we go for next one? आगे बढ़े चले या नहीं चले आगे? Next question. Here it is very simple. A program attempts to generate as many permutations as possible of a string ABCD. by pushing the characters A, B, C, D in the same order on the stack, but it may pop off the top character at any time. So A, B, C, D are inserted in this particular sequence only. First A, then after that insert B, then insert C, then insert D. You can pop the element at any time you want. Which of the following string can not be generated using this program? Let's see. Let's try to generate A, B, C, D. Let's take option A. If I want to generate A, B, C, D, first of all, I need to push up to A so that I can pop and print it. After that, I need B. Okay, so up to that, I need to insert B and pop it. Then I need C. I can insert next C and pop it so that I can get C. And at the end, I need D. I can insert D and pop and I can get D. So yes, I can get A, B, C, D. That is fine. Let's check it out for option B. We need D, C, B, A. Okay, if we insert the element up to D, then only topmost element D you can pop. So first element I need is D. अगर सबसे पहला एलिमेंट D चाहिए, what I'll do is insert up to D. A, B, C and D. Now what to do? D pop करो, match हो गया. Next is C. Yes, I can pop C. Match हुआ. Next is B. I need B. Pop हुआ, match हुआ. Then A. I can pop A. Yes, match हुआ. Yes, that is matching fine. C option. Let's go with the C option. C, B, A, D. Let's do it. Let's do it. करके देखते हैं. Let's do it. First character I need C. Up to C you insert the element. Up to C you insert the element A, B and C. What we need? C. Pop it, print it. Then you need B. Pop it, print it. Then you need A. Pop it, print it. Then you need D. Insert D, then pop. C is also fine. We can manage. Let's go for option D. Of course, option D cannot be attempted or cannot be obtained. Let's see. First of all, we need what? C. So let's insert the elements up to C. Up to C means A, B and C I need to insert. इसी sequence में insert करना है. First A, then B, then C. I need C first. Yes. तो C को pop कर लो. Then I need A. Can I pop A directly? No, I can next pop B only, but they need A means D I cannot take from the, I cannot generate from the stack. Stack से generate नहीं कर सकते. समझ में आया क्या? समझ में आया? समझ में आया? नहीं आया? This B printed but needed A option is wrong. This particular D cannot be generated using this program. Should we go next? Yes, D is correct. Okay, got it. समझ में आया? यस, C के बाद A नहीं आ सकता, आपको B लाना पड़ेगा प्रिंट करने के लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि B को ही पॉप कर सकते हो, विच इज द टॉप मोस्ट एलिमेंट. ठीक है, बिल्कुल आया, अच्छी बात है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. आगे ये रहा अगला क्वेश्चन आपके सामने. बहुत बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, बट थोड़ा सा मैथमेटिक्स लगा हुआ है. A little bit mathematics involved in this particular question. Because of that this question becomes tough. अगर आपने ये क्वेश्चन पहले सॉल्व किया है, आपको मेथड समझ में आ जाएगी कि ऐसे 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 कर देंगे सर, बट उसका पीछे का लॉजिक समझ में आया क्या? क्या आपको लॉजिक समझ में आया कि ऐसा किया क्यों है, कैसे किया है? लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक. लॉजिक इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट मेरी क्लास में है आपका फील. इफ यू कम हियर रेगुलरली एंड इफ यू लर्न फ्रॉम मी, यू शुड फील द टॉपिक. फील आना जरूरी है टॉपिक्स का. फील आता है क्या? अगर फील आता है तो बताते रहिएगा कि फील आ रहा है. ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर द क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग. नेक्स्ट वन, लेट्स सी हियर. अ फंक्शन f defined on stacks of integers satisfies the following property: f of phi is equal to 0, which means this particular function's value, f of function value on stack, should be 0 if stack is empty. If stack is empty. ये कैसे समझ में आया? ये कैसे समझ में आया? ये आया समझ में इस phi से. Phi means empty. Phi represents empty. Okay, next. And f of push s comma I is equal to max of f of s comma 0 plus I. अब ये तो बियॉन्ड हमारे अंडरस्टैंडिंग चले जा रहा है. What it says, if further I want to calculate f of s function, if further I want to calculate f function on stack, before that I need to push an element onto the stack. Before that I need to push an element into the stack. On s element is I. So पहले आपको f of s कैलकुलेट करते टाइम पहले आपको पुश करना है स्टैक पे वैल्यू i. और जब आप स्टैक पे पुश करते हो एलिमेंट i, व्हेन यू आर इंसर्टिंग एन एलिमेंट i ऑन द स्टैक, देन यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट f of s बाय दिस वन. आपको फिर f of s फंक्शन कैलकुलेट करने को मिलेगा बाय दिस वन, मैक्सिमम ऑफ करंट f of s कॉमा 0 प्लस वैल्यू i. So you need to use this particular property to calculate f of s. Now, if a stack s contains the integers 2, -3, 2, -1, 0 in the order from bottom to top. Bottom to top matlab, first of all you inserted 2, then after that you inserted -3, then you inserted 2, then -1, then 2, and at the end you got the stack, current stack. Okay, after that what should be the value of f of s? So let's first take the base case. Base case f of s is 0. Initially f of s is 0 when the stack is empty. After that you tried to calculate f of s. Next, if you tried to calculate f of s, you tried to calculate f of s, but before that you need to insert an element. सबसे पहले आपने empty stack में क्या element insert किया? In empty stack what you inserted is 2. So when you inserted 2, it was like this: push s comma 2, I value is 2. When you have pushed the element 2 onto the stack, your stack becomes value 2. और f of s कैसे calculate करोगे? Using this property. So f of s you will calculate by maximum of current f of s, which is 0, comma 0 plus value I. I means which you are inserting 2. Maximum of 0 comma 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. So f of s after first insertion is 2. Now you are trying to insert another element -3 and calculate f of s. Then next level you tried calculating f of s by pushing element -3. That will be maximum of s, maximum of f of s. Maximum of f of s means maximum of 2 comma 0. F of s, current f of s 2 and 0 plus value I value is insertion value -3. Maximum of 2 comma 0 is 2, -3 is -1. F of s becomes -1 after second insertion. Now third one, next you try to insert this one. When you try to insert this one too, you are calculating f of s by this one. First you push the element onto the stack s, element is 2. Then you are calculating f of s by this property, max of current f of s -1 comma 0 plus 2. Now what is the maximum of -1 comma 0? 0. -1 तो छोटा है 0 से, plus 2 is 2. After insertion of this 2, I am having 2 as the f of s. Now you are inserting -1. अगर आपने -1 insert किया, then f of s you need to calculate by pushing an element -1. So push -1 onto the stack and then you are calculating f of s by maximum of current f of s comma 0, current f of s comma 0 plus I, which is -1. Maximum of 2 comma 0 is 2 minus 1. Answer is 1. Next, last at last you inserted 2. So f of s निकलेगा आपका push s comma 2 से which will be equal to maximum of current f of s 1 comma 0 plus 2, which is I value. Now maximum of 1 comma 0 is 1 plus 2 3, and that is your final answer. 3. Option C is correct. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. चेक इट आउट. क्या समझ में आया आपको? Got it, got it. So final answer for this f of s function is this 3. Okay, great, 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 amazing, amazing, amazing. Another question we have, and that is this. The following postfix expression with single digit operand is evaluated using stack. This is the evaluation. Note that this is exponential operator. The top elements of the stack after the first star is evaluated. I don't know if you have solved this question yesterday also. Did we solve this question yesterday also? If not, then let's solve this question today also. Okay. So we are evaluating this using the stack. After this exponent is evaluated, what is the top element of the stack? So, okay, sorry. After the first star means this. Up to this level, you need to evaluate the stack or evaluate this expression using the stack, and after that you need to tell that what is the stack value or what is the stack content. First of all, you know that how to solve such questions. कैसे solve करना है ये questions को? You know that what to solve, how to solve. First of all, left to right scanning. If any operand comes, push it onto the stack. Operator comes, perform the operation on the second top to the first top. Okay, I'll tell you. So first of all, operand comes, push it onto the stack. 8 is pushed onto the stack. Then next 2, push it onto the stack. Then 3, push it onto the stack. Then exponent. For exponent, you need to take 2 values from the stack. A is 3 value, B is 2 value, and you need to perform B operator A 2 power 3, which is 8. 8 is pushed back to the stack. Now next is what? Division. For division also you need to do the same thing. Pop first value A, topmost value 8. Then B value is next to top 8. Then perform B operator A 8 divided by 8, 1 pushed onto the stack. Next is 2 pushed, 3 pushed, then multiplication. For multiplication, you need to pop 2 values. First value A, second value B, then you need to perform B operator A 6 and push it onto the stack. First star is evaluated. Yes, what is the stack top? 6 comma 1. A option is correct. Option A is correct. Yes, B operator A we need to solve. Option A is correct. I guess you guys are understanding the things perfectly now. Okay, should we go for the next one? Another easy question is coming on the way. Here it is. Next question, another easy, very easy question. Suppose a stack implementation supports an instruction reverse which reverses the order of elements on the stack in addition to push and pop. Push और pop के साथ में reverse भी support करता है एक stack. Which one of the following statement is true with respect to this modified stack? So what is true? Option A, a queue cannot be implemented using this stack. B option, a queue can be implemented where NQ takes a single instruction and DQ takes a sequence of 2 instructions. Third, a queue can be implemented where NQ takes sequence of 3 instructions and DQ takes single instruction. A queue can be implemented where both an NQ and DQ take single instruction. Now, if we are implementing queue, we need to think it like that way. Ki we will have to perform first in first out. But in the stack, we can delete the last inserted element, which means my mind think like that way कि for deletion, either for deletion or for somewhere insertion, we need to reverse the elements. We need to reverse the elements. So what we can do, let's try it out. So let's try it out like that way. I can go with this way. Key insertion is directly single operation push, insertion is directly single operation push, insertion is directly single operation push. Okay, so I'm pushing elements, element. Now I want to delete. For deletion, what I can do is I will pop, but no, I'll have to first reverse. So let's reverse A, B and C, and after that I will pop here. Is that it? Do you think is that it? क्या ये सही है? क्या ये complete हो चुका है? नहीं. If suppose after this I insert another element D, what should I do? Should I insert D at the top? If I'll insert D at the top, then next deletion will not be of B. B will come in between and that will not be deleted. But मेरा Q क्या कहता है? My Q says I'll have to delete after A, B only. Just because it was the second inserted element. After deletion of A, next should be B. But I cannot delete B if I insert D here. So that is wrong. Means option B gone. Option B gone. Ki NQ takes only single and DQ takes sequence of two instructions, reverse and delete. That is wrong. Now let's go with C option. That is correct one and I will tell you how it is. Okay, so for NQ, what you will do this. Reverse, push and then reverse. And for DQ, what you need to do is just pop. अभी देखिए कैसे काम करेगा. I will give you an example. Okay, I will give you an example. Suppose you are performing these operations. First of all, you are performing NQA, then you are performing NQB, then you are performing NQC, then you are performing NQD, or let's say here a DQ. Let's see how it works. For NQA, first of all, stack is empty. Yes. So for NQA, reverse, nothing is there to reverse. NQA directly, and after that again reverse. Single element, reverse means A only. Then for B, first of all reverse, single element only, so no reverse. Then after that insert B, right? Push B, yes, and after that reverse. After that reverse means elements will become A and B. Look at this. What is my requirement for the deletion if I am directly deleting? For my deletion, if I am directly deleting, then I need to maintain the stack. I need to maintain the stack like that way कि first inserted element should be on the top. First inserted element should be on the top. It is there. Yes, if needed, I can delete A directly. Okay, next is NQC. For NQC, what we will do first? First, we will reverse this. Okay, so I am reversing this A, B, and after that insert C. So reverse, then push, then reverse. So reverse, first of all A on the bottom, then B next, and then push C. After that again reverse. Again reverse means C, B, A we can have as the stack. CBA we can have as the stack. Now listen. Now if I want to perform DQ, what I can do is I can perform DQ directly from the top of the stack. There is no any problem. After that you can see the next top element is B, which is second inserted element. If I want to perform now DQ, I can delete B. So if I want to perform another DQ here, I can delete B also. Or if I don't want to perform dq, and if I want to perform another nq which is element suppose d, what should I do? First of all, reverse this. Reverse this means c comes up, b comes down. Now you can insert d. Yes, after that again reverse it. Again reverse it means element should be like this way, d, c and b. B still on the top. Yes, next inserted element gone on the bottom. So your answer should be this particular. For insertion you can have reverse, push, reverse. For deletion you can have pop. In fact you can have an alternate also. You can have an alternate also. That alternate is just reverse of this, just opposite of this. Alternate approach is what? You can perform NQ means only push, and for DQ you can have a sequence of 3 operations. What is sequence of 3 operations? Reverse, then pop and then again reverse. आप ये भी कर सकते हो, दोनों काम करेंगे. This also you can go, yes, and this also can work. So either you go for 3 sequence for NQ or 3 sequence or 3 operation sequence for DQ, both will work. Conceptual question, of course, conceptual question, very good, very easy question it is. Next one. Another question, here it is. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है यार, ये तो बहुत ही इजी है. रिजल्ट इवैल्यूएटिंग द पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन, दिस इज व्हाट? So you need to evaluate this particular expression. Either you can evaluate directly. How? I will say like this. First of all, you will need to evaluate this 10 plus 5, 15. After that, you need to evaluate this 60 divided by 6, 10. Then you need to evaluate this 15 divided by 10. Okay, sorry, 15 into 10, 150. Then 150 minus 8, 142. You can directly do it like that way. If it is more visibly, clearly visible kind of expression like this. If not, then you can go regular with the regular approach. You can go with the regular approach जो हमारा stack का approach है. You can go with this easily. You will get the same answer. मैं जल्दी से quickly बता देता हूँ. First of all 10, push it onto the stack. Then 5, push it onto the stack. Then plus. For plus, what you will do? You will have a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So you need to push 15 back. Done, done, deleted, 15 is pushed back. Then next is 60, push it onto the stack. Then 6, push it onto the stack. Then division. For division, what you will do? You will pop 2 elements. Yes, 6 and 60. You need to perform 60 divided by 6, 10, and push it into the stack. Next is multiplication. For multiplication, what you're gonna do is 10 and 15. It is 15 into 10 you need to perform, which is 150. Push back to the stack. Then next is 8, push it onto the stack. Then minus. For minus, what you're gonna do is, for minus you're gonna pop 2 elements. 150 minus 8 you need to perform, and 142 you can push onto the stack back. Answer is 142. Got it, got it, got it, understood. बहुत सिंपल है यार, बहुत 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 इजी है. वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. राइट 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 राइट. शुड वी गो नेक्स्ट? शुड वी गो नेक्स्ट? शुड वी गो नेक्स्ट? there is a question which is one of the best question, one of the best question, which is this one. Why? Just because this requires understanding of stack, understanding of operations, plus most important is this particular thing requires a simple knowledge of mathematics. And if you are really targeting GATE exam and MTech from a really good college, this is my personal experience कि you need to be very very good in mathematics if you are really going to study in IITs or IISc any good course. It's my personal experience. Why? Just because I have studied from my masters from IIC Bangalore, and I know ki what type of mathematics we will have to study over there. So if you are not interested much in mathematics, please take little bit extra efforts, give yourself little bit extra time for learning mathematics properly, so that you will enjoy studying over there in the masters. चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं क्वेश्चन को. कैसे सॉल्व करना है? बड़ा आसान क्वेश्चन है. देखते हैं, पहले समझते हैं, उसके बाद सॉल्व करेंगे. लेट S be a stack of size n greater than 1 equal to 1. Fine. Starting with empty stack, suppose we push first n natural numbers in sequence and perform n pop operations. Means, first of all, suppose if n is equal to 10, then first of all you are inserting 10 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And after that we are performing 10 pops also. 10 deleted, then 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, all deleted. Assume that push and pop operations take x seconds each. So push operation and pop operations, each operation is taking x seconds, and y second elapse between the end of one such stack operation and start of next operation. Suppose you have performed one stack operation, maybe push or pop, and after that you are performing another operation which is maybe push and pop. Between these two operations, how much time is elapsed? How much time is required? Y time required between two operations. Fine. For m greater than equal to 1, define the stack life of m as the time elapsed from end of push m to the start of pop operation that removes. तो stack life किसी एक element की from some element, what is the stack life of that particular element? The element will be inserted. Immediately after that, some more elements after that inserted and deleted. Just before this element is deleted, वो है stack life. अरे सिंपल सी बात है, कितने टाइम तक वो एलिमेंट स्टैक पे रहा, वो है उसका स्टैक लाइफ. The stack life of the element is nothing but for how much time that element was present onto the stack. Okay, got it. Now look at this. Very simple. Let's try to understand with some basic examples first. So easy example से solve करके देखते हैं पहले कि कैसे काम करेगा. Okay, so let's see. This is the stack. Okay, fine. So I have inserted some element 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is my last element. If this is my last element, after this element insertion, I will pop this element only. Yes. So what is, if n is equal to 5, what is the stack life of my last element? What is the stack life of nth element? सबसे लास्ट एलिमेंट का स्टैक लाइफ कितना होगा, एंड दैट आई कैन राइट एज y. हाउ? आफ्टर इंसर्शन ऑफ 5, y times is elapsed, and after that I will start popping of y. Yes, popping of 5. Yes, so pop of 5 and push of 5 के बीच में कितना टाइम लगा? In between these two, what is the time elapsed is y. So stack life of the last nth element is y. Now next, stack life of second last element is what? N minus first element will be what? N minus first element ka stack life will be what? See, you have inserted 4, right? So let's see, you have inserted 4. After that, how much time required? Y time is lapsed. Yes, y time lapsed here. Y. And after that, you have inserted 5. For insertion of 5, x time is required. Given that push and pop takes x. So y in between 4 and 5. Then for 5, x time. Then Between 5 push and pop, y time again required. Yes, so here y time is required, and then here for push of x, push of 5, x time is required. Then after that you pop 5, yes, again x time required, and after pop of 5, just before pop of 4, y time more required. So how much time is required total? After 4 we will require y time. Immediately after that push of 5 plus between push and pop of 5 plus pop of 5 plus after pop of 5 just before pop of 5. It becomes 2x plus 3y. For me it is coming 2x plus 3y. 2 times x, why? Just because this particular 5 will be pushed and popped means 2 times x is required. After 4, how many element you are inserting? 1. And you are deleting also that? Yes. Each insertion and deletion taking 1x. Yes, for insertion x, deletion x means 2x. But how much time in between push and pop? 4 के बाद में 1 element you are inserting. Yes, so between 4 and 5, 1 y. After 4 push and before pop of 4, 2 times y. Yes, and एक y सबसे टॉप पे लगेगा यहाँ पे between push and pop of 5. Yes, that's why 2y और एक और extra y 3y. Now next stack life of n minus second element, the second last element from the first. यहां से second last element, इसके लिए चेक करें थर्ड के लिए, 3 के लिए. What is the stack life of element 3? Okay, so stack life for element 3, which is second last element, n minus second element, is 2 element you are inserting and deleting. Yes, means 4 times x required. Why 4 times? 1 for 5 and 1 times for 4. So 1 times for 5 means x and x push and pop. 1 times for 4, x and x push and pop. Total 4 times x. For total how many times? 4 times x. Now how many times y? How many times y? How many times y? 3 के बाद में यहां y, यहां y, यहां y, फिर वापस y, 5 times y. 5 times y. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, राइट? मैंने कहा सबसे लास्ट एलिमेंट का तो आपको समझ में आ गया कि y टाइम लगेगा, है ना, nth एलिमेंट के लिए. तो आप बताओ कि 4 एलिमेंट जो आपने इंसर्ट किया इसके बाद कितना टाइम लगेगा. तो पहले तो आपने y टाइम लिया और उसके बाद में एलिमेंट 5th इंसर्ट किया, फिर उसके बाद 5th को इंसर्ट करने के लिए लगा x टाइम, फिर उसके बाद में एक y टाइम और लगा ताकि 5 के पुश और पॉप के बीच का टाइम हो जाए. ये खत्म हुआ, पॉप हुआ 5, उसमें लगा x टाइम, और पॉप 5 के बाद में और पुश पॉप 5 के 4 के पहले, पॉप 5 के बाद और पॉप 4 के पहले एक और बार का y लगा. तो 2 बार के x लगे, एक बार का पुश 5 फिर पॉप का 5, 2 टाइम्स x, और y लगेगा 3 बार. एक बार तो 4 और 5 के बीच में जाते वक्त, मतलब इंसर्शन के वक्त, एक बार 4 और 5 के दोनों के बीच में आते वक्त मींस पॉप के टाइम पे, और एक लगेगा 5 के पुश और पॉप के बीच में. ठीक है, समझ में आया. इसका मतलब है कि अगर इंसर्शन का आपका सेकेंड लास्ट एलिमेंट है, इफ इट इज इंसर्शन ऑफ सेकेंड लास्ट एलिमेंट, फॉर सेकेंड लास्ट एलिमेंट स्टैक की लाइफ होगी 2x प्लस 3y, और थर्ड लास्ट जो ऊपर से है एलिमेंट विच इज n माइनस सेकेंड एलिमेंट, टॉप से n माइनस सेकेंड एलिमेंट जो है उसका होगा दिस. समझ में आई बात? अब यही सेम चीज मैं अगर लिखता हूं कि बताओ स्टैक लाइफ ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट कितना होगा, जो सबसे नीचे से पहला एलिमेंट इंसर्ट किया है उसके लिए कितना होगा, अगर फर्स्ट ये माने, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ. ठीक है, तो n इक्वल टू 5 था। जब n इक्वल टू 5 था या n था, nth एलिमेंट के लिए ये लग रहा था, n-1 के लिए ये लग रहा था, n-2 के लिए इतना लग रहा था। तो n-1 ऊपर से n-1 मतलब 5-1 ये, नॉट n-1, n-1 लास्ट फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के लिए कितना लगेगा, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के लिए कितना लगेगा, हाउ मच टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट। लुक एट दिस, लुक एट दिस, लुक एट दिस। उल्टा लेते हैं, एक काम करते हैं, ये टॉप से फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ले लेते हैं। तो टॉप से फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के लिए लगा इतना टाइम, टॉप से सेकेंड एलिमेंट के लिए लगा इतना टाइम, टॉप से थर्ड एलिमेंट के लिए लगा इतना टाइम, है ना। टॉप से ये थर्ड एलिमेंट है, टॉप से कौन सा है, थर्ड एलिमेंट है, थर्ड एलिमेंट के लिए लगा 4x प्लस 5y। तो टॉप से ये कौन सा होगा, nth एलिमेंट, ये टॉप से nth एलिमेंट होगा। तो टॉप से nth एलिमेंट के लिए कितना लगेगा, टॉप से nth एलिमेंट के लिए कितना लगेगा। देखिए n की वैल्यू अगर टॉप से सेकंड है, टॉप से सेकंड है, टॉप से सेकंड ये रहा, टॉप से ये n, टॉप से ये फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ये रहा, टॉप से सेकंड ये रहा, टॉप से सेकंड, इसके लिए लगा 2x प्लस 3y, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड, राइट 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 राइट। तो ऐसे नीचे नीचे आते जाएंगे हम, तो आपके लिए फर्स्ट जो एलिमेंट है वो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के लिए लगेगा n-1 एलिमेंट, उसके पहले आप इंसर्ट करोगे। देखिए ये हमारा एलिमेंट है, उसके ऊपर कितने एलिमेंट आपने इंसर्ट किए, एक। इसके पहले कितने एलिमेंट, इसके बाद कितने एलिमेंट यहां पे इंसर्ट किए, इसके ऊपर 2। अगर फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के लिए चेक करेंगे तो कितने एलिमेंट इसके ऊपर आएंगे, हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स आर देयर आफ्टर दिस वन, n-1 एलिमेंट्स आर देयर आफ्टर दिस वन। इस वन के ऊपर कितने एलिमेंट आपने इंसर्ट किए हैं, हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स यू हैव इंसर्टेड अबोव दिस वन, n-1 एलिमेंट्स, राइट। हर एक n-1 के लिए आपको पहले लगेगा x टाइम या 2x टाइम, 2x टाइम, 2x टाइम हर एक एलिमेंट के लिए। देखिए यहां पे मैंने बताया था कि इसके ऊपर सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट है, ये रहा, इसके ऊपर सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट है, राइट। तो उसके लिए लगेगा 2x टाइम, पहले एक पॉप का और एक पुश का, और एक एक्स्ट्रा y लग रहा था, राइट। तो मैं यहां लिख दूंगा इंसर्शन के लिए और डिलीशन के लिए 2x टाइम n-1 टाइम्स प्लस 2n-1 y प्लस y एक्स्ट्रा। समझ में आया कैसे लिखा, समझ में आया। स्टैक लाइफ ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के ऊपर कितने एलिमेंट इंसर्ट किए हैं। हियर for first element, if this is the first element, we have inserted n-1 elements, we have n-1 elements after that. If we have n-1 elements after that, for each n-1 element we will be having 2x time plus 2y times plus extra y between last insertion and last deletion। ठीक है, ठीक है। तो ये हो गई हमारी एक जनरल, ये हो गई हमारी एक जनरल इक्वेशन। Now this is the average, this is the stack life, this is the stack life for first element, this is the stack life for first element. Now what is asked, question is average stack life of an element of this stack is what, हमें average calculate करना है। So if we put n equals to 1, first element का average life is this one, then we put n equals to 2, I need to calculate based on that. If we put n equals to 3, we need to calculate that, means for n number of elements, for n number of elements I need to calculate, for n number of elements I need to calculate the average based on this equation. How do you calculate average, average कैसे calculate करते हो, you calculate average by, you calculate average by sum of stack life of all elements, then after that divided it by n, sum of all elements divide by n, sum of stack life of all elements divide by n. So if I want to calculate average stack life, then it will be equal to sum of stack life of all elements डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स n। अभी अभी हम सम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, इट्स लाइक दिस इज फॉर n इक्वल्स टू 1। For first element, if is this, for all n elements, what I will do is I will take summation of this particular thing. So I will take for I equals to 1 to n, I will take summation of all these elements plus this plus this divided by n. Now x 2x is constant. Okay, so I can have all these summation separate. I can have all these summation separate। एक काम करते हैं, सारे के सारे समेशंस को सेपरेट कर लेते हैं, बेटर होगा आपके लिए। सो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस वे, summation I equals to 1 to n, right? Summation I equals to 1 to n, it will become 2x n minus 1 plus summation 1 to n, it will become, I should write n equals to not I equals to, actually n equals to not I equals to, यहाँ पे n equals to 1 to n या जो भी है 1 to n डायरेक्टली लिख दो चलेगा। 1 to n times summation this, then n times summation this to y n minus 1 plus n times summation 1 to n y divided by n. I have separated all summations. Now 2x is constant term, not based on n, so take it 1 to n, अगर आप n minus 1 तक summation लोगे कितना होगा? If you will take summation 1 to n minus 1 up to n minus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 up to n plus 1, how much it will be? 2x into n minus 1 divided by 2। अप टू 1 to n minus 1 का समेशन ले लो, कितना आएगा? n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1, which is nothing but n divided by 2 plus similarly here also if you will take summation of n minus 1 1 to n minus 1, it becomes 2y n into n minus 1 divided by 2 plus summation of y n times, it becomes ny divided by n। Okay, so this 2 to 2 cancel, it becomes n। if you will divide this n here, it becomes x n minus 1 plus 2 to 2 cancel y, this n divided by n becomes n minus 1 plus this ny divided by n becomes y। अभी ये ऑप्शन है क्या कहीं पे? नहीं है। So let's simplify it, it becomes xn minus x plus yn minus y plus y to y cancel, let's take common from here n, it becomes x plus y into the bracket n common minus x। I guess this option is given somewhere, x plus y outside n minus x, n into x plus y minus x, C option looks correct। So such kind of questions of course will eat lot of time in your exam. One more thing you can do is you can take example of something 1 2 3 4 5 or something, and based on that you can check out that how much you are getting, तीन चार छोटे छोटे एग्जाम्पल लेके you can put the values in these given option and then you can get the answer based on the either given option you can check, या फिर एक या mathematical option तो है ही आपके पास, you can go with this। So if you are good in mathematics, it will be really good for you to solve the questions easily like that way। Fine, okay, so today's session is over। Tomorrow we are having 10 AM DS course, and in that most important topic I am going to discuss is traversal, tree traversal, very important, you don't miss this one। Then after that 12 PM we will continue the same PYQ session on YouTube, just because I have already covered lots of topics of data structure। So let's solve some questions. Tomorrow we are going to solve PYQ on linked list, Yes, linked list के questions we will solve tomorrow 12 p.m. and 7 p.m. not 7:15, 7 p.m. I am going to have COA for your crash course batch. All these I am going to bring on YouTube tomorrow. Yes, 3 sessions for you guys tomorrow. Attend these 3 sessions just because I am going to teach you lot in terms of quality education, in terms of free education. बहुत कुछ पढ़ा रहा हूं, आप लोग कुछ भी सेशन मिस ना करो और सारे दोस्तों को भी लेके आओ ताकि हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा से ज्यादा खूब सारे लोग कंसिस्टेंटली एक साथ अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर पाए. ओके फाइन, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच आपके इतने अच्छे थैंक के लिए. बहुत सारे लोग, सो मेनी मेंबर्स आर सेंडिंग मी सो मेनी मैसेजेस, सर वी आर गेटिंग रियली गुड कंटेंट फ्रॉम यू, वी आर गेटिंग दिस और दैट. वन मोर थिंग यू कैन डू फॉर अस, इफ यू लाइक एनी सेशन अ लॉट, then once the session is closed, once the streaming is done, after that come to the lecture once again and drop your comments on the lectures also. It will help those members, it will help those members who are not yet knowing about these sessions, but once they see those videos in their feeds or somewhere and if they read your comments, definitely it will benefit a lot to them. आपको लगता है सर हम कौन जाएगा, कौन करेगा, अगर हम भी ऐसा सोचेंगे कि कौन पढ़ा यार छोड़ देते हैं, तो फिर आप लोगों के लिए नुकसान होगा. यस, तो आप हमारा फायदा सोचे, हम आपका फायदा सोचे, दोनों के म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग से इतना हम करेंगे कि आपके लिए हम कभी भी मोटिवेशन की कमी नहीं आने देंगे. हम हमारी तरफ से हार्डवर्क पूरा देंगे, आप लोगों को आपकी तरफ से पूरा हार्डवर्क देना है आपकी स्टडीज के लिए और हमारे सपोर्ट के लिए भी. ये पूरी टीम है जो हमारी आपका साथ देती है आपकी पढ़ाई में, आपकी बहुत अलग अलग टाइप की, किसी भी टाइप की स्टडीज में जो आपके यहाँ पे है, चाहे वो आपकी प्लेसमेंट बैच हो या गेट की बैच हो, क्रैश कोर्स बैच हो, आपकी सेमेस्टर बैच हो या मशीन लर्निंग हो, सब कुछ हम यहाँ पे पढ़ा रहे हैं. आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ कंसिस्टेंटली पढ़ाई करें, मेहनत करें, हम लोग बहुत कुछ और नया लेके आते रहेंगे आप लोगों के लिए. अगर आप लोग को पीडीएफ चाहिए इस लेक्चर्स की, सारे लेक्चर्स की, ये इस चैनल पे जाओ, ये है टेलीग्राम का एक चैनल जो हमारा ऑफिशियल है, गो एंड चेक इट आउट, देयर वी विल ड्रॉप ऑल द पीडीएफ ऑफ द लेक्चर्स. दिस इज द फेसबुक पेज जो हमारे आपसे कनेक्शन बनाने के लिए जरूरी है. आप हमसे कनेक्टेड रहना चाहते हैं तो ये फेसबुक पेजेस ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. और ये सारे चैनल वो हैं जो हमारी तरफ से क्वालिटी एजुकेशन हम देते हैं, वो आपको सब जगह स्प्रेड करना है. इलेक्ट्रिकल वाले लोगों को ये बताओ, मैकेनिकल वाले को ये वाला चैनल बताओ, सिविल के लिए ये, एसएससी जेई के लिए ये, कंप्यूटर साइंस के लिए ये वाला मेरा चैनल. यार अपना चैनल, आपका अपना चैनल है ये. Unacademy Computer Science is your channel just because you guys are learning a lot from this channel. तो इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लो अगर नहीं किया है तो, और साथ ही साथ नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर लो, ये घंटी बजा दो ताकि जब भी मेरी क्लास हो तो आपके फोन की भी घंटी बजे. Keep liking the lecture, keep sharing the lecture, and thank you so much for joining here live in this particular class. Happy learning, have a nice day.